that'll do it.
Sue, hail to the Daba, I found you!
What's wrong, Sammy? Are you okay?
You're about to become an ant!
What? How am I? I have so many questions.
No time for questions! This is the time for action! I found a stray cat. She's having kittens. We've gotta go.
Sam, but what about the dirty plates?
Sue, there's no time for it. Come on.
But this is going to be another wacky adventure. I just know it.
I really need to get a siren for my ambulance.
Where's the cat, Sammy?
She's over here. Our patient is ready. Nurse.
I'm not a nurse. And who's that guy?
This is Doctor. His name isn't important, Sue. Wait, the patient. It's our mother-to-be. She's glowing.
I thought we were dealing with a real cat.
That would be pretty messy, Sue. And I'm pretty squeamish. This way is more fun. We should probably examine the cat first. Is this thing on? I can't hear anything. Hello? Ah, my ears.
I always knew you had a loud voice.
Whatever.
So, shall we get started?
My ears are ringing. I need a doctor.
Get in line, Sam. The cat and her kittens take priority.
I'm okay. It'll take a lot more than that to stop me.
Can you help us out here?
They don't call me Dr. Sam for nothing. Actually, nobody calls me that. But how hard can it be? Anyone can do 5 years of medical school.
What's your verdict?
I'll be honest. I have no idea what I'm doing.
I guess we'd better go check up on the kittens. We can use this monitor.
I don't know, Sue. I can't find our YouTube channel on this thing.
Oh, that's because it's not a TV.
Ah, all right then. That explains a lot.
Sam, can you pass the ultrasound scanner?
Give me a second. I will conduct important research. Look at that!
Sammy, we're supposed to be examining the cat.
Oops, I just wanted to see what was inside me! I'm 100% slime!
So, how's it looking over there, Doctor? Can you see anything?
Nothing so far, but give me a sec. I'm gonna have to give it the old Sam's magic. Step away!
Sam, no, don't do that!
Wait, what's that?
Aw, we have one kitten.
Wait, I think there's more.
It's twins.
I don't think it's twins. Sue, we might need a lot of kitty litter.
Oh my, well how many are there?
500 there's 500 kittens!
Whoa, are you serious? Well, that's amazing!
How are we gonna deliver them?
It's gonna be a long day.
We'll do it for the show and for the paycheck.
Wait, you get paid for this?
This is awkward. Anyway, about those kittens?
Okay, we'll talk about this later. Just take deep breaths. In and out. Relax.
In and out. It feels pretty good.
I was talking to the cat, Sam.
Oh,
So, are you ready to do this, Doc? Let's get started.
Step aside, I've got this.
Sam? I wouldn't do that.
Come on, Sue. How bad can it be? This was a mistake. I think I'm gonna throw up.
Sam, are you okay?
I don't feel so good.
I think the kittens are ready to meet the world.
You go ahead, Sue. I'll supervise from over here.
Here they come. It's so exciting. They look so cute. Just like their mommy. You're doing great. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, Sue. That really means a lot to me.
Huh? I was talking to the cat, Sam.
Oh, right. That makes more sense.
There's still a lot more kittens to come. How many is that?
A lot, Sue. Let's just say there's a whole lot of them.
This is taking a long time. There must be an easier way.
I think I have an idea, but it's unconventional.
I'm willing to try anything at this stage.
Give the cat a good shake, trust me.
Okay, here it goes. Wow! It's working. Ooh, I think it's the last one.
498, 499, and 500 kittens!
Yes, finally! We did it! Great job, Sammy. And the other doctor.
So now we need to name them. I have a couple of variants. Sam Jr., SJ.
You know, Sam, the kittens will need somewhere to stay. Let's build them a kitty home.
I knew it! It's crafting time!
Will you give me a hand here?
I'm way ahead of you. I'm just sketching up my plans.
But I've already started.
I'm thinking an indoor pool, a sauna, and a walk-in wardrobe for the kitten collars.
Haha, I admire your ambition, but I was hoping to keep it simple.
All right. That can work too.
I'm glad we could come to a compromise. In the meantime, you can make something for the kittens to play with.
To understand the kittens, I need to think like a kitten. Meow! I decided on a ball of string. It's a kitten classic. Wait, there's more. I want them to have the best time ever. You know, Sue, it doesn't have the wow factor. We need to color it.
Now let's make these more sturdy. We can tape them over.
I can help with this part.
We make a great team, Sam.
It's got me, Sue. Save yourself, stupid tape.
Need a little help over there?
I did a semester at an escapology camp. I can do this.
Okay then, I believe in you. This'll be nice and cozy.
Ta-da! I told you I could escape.
I never doubted you. Can you finish the tower then? And I'll work on the toys. This should keep those kitties busy.
Ooh, it's a mighty fine tower. I hope they're not scared of heights.
This will be so relaxing for the kittens. What do you think, Sam? Do you think they will like it?
It'll be playtime all the time.
All the playtime must be thirsty work. I think the kittens need a drink. Here are the bowls. And I've got the milk! Come on, kitties, drink up. And I just got an idea. Let's make a bed for the kittens as well. Here you go. This cozy sleeping place can fit in all our kittens. I could use a cat nap too. Haha. Sweet dreams, fluffy babies. Sleep tight. Wow, what a day!
Yeah! Who thought looking after kittens could be so hard?
I'm just looking forward to this mug of tea. Oh, I forgot to put milk in it. What? How come we're all out of milk?
That's okay. I've got some milk right here.
Thanks, but I'll just go to the store. See you around, dear friends.
What? To the store? Wait for me. I want candy. See you next time, fellas. Hey, wait up. Hi, everyone. We're opening a new hospital today. It is a grand opening. Are you ready, Raj? Raj? Where are you? Roger, that's not funny. Where are you? Raj, are you in there? I guess not. Raj, we've got a hospital to open. Stop messing around. Huh? What? What's going on here? Raj? What are you doing in there?
I'm so nervous, Sam. I can't handle it.
Brace yourself, young man. Breathe in and out. After all, patients are waiting for you. Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, finally! The hospital! Help me! I'm in labor! Please!
Creme brulee, candies, peas.
Sam, wake up! Sam!
Huh? What? Where? Raj, what is it?
We have our first patient here, Sam. We'll help you, don't worry. Let me check your condition. Huh? We need to do an ultrasound. All right, kitty. Are you ready? Stay calm. Oh, look at that. We've got 7 babies here. It's a big surprise. We need to take a pressure test. Oh, great. You're doing fine.
Dr. Raj, I brought an IV.
Awesome. Thanks, Sammy.
No problem.
Here we go. It's time to put in an IV. And an oxygen mask. There you go. Let's put a sheet over our kitty. You're going to be fine. We'll take care of you. Okay, are you ready to become a mom? Oh wow, just look at this cute little guy. Here's our first baby. Isn't he precious? And here comes the second kitten. Wow, you're such a little cutie. Let's put you in here.
Aw, those twins are so cute. Aw.
All right, who's next? The third, it's on its way. What a tiny kitten. Let's put you with your siblings. And who's hiding in there? I can see you, baby. You're a little mischievous, aren't you? And here's another charmer. How can you be so cute? They all are.
Holy cannoli! How did they all fit in there?
Guess what, Sammy? We have more kittens coming. Whoa! All right. We have a talker here. We're almost done. Wow, what a handsome boy. There you go. I think we're down to the last one. Here it comes. So adorable. All 7 kittens were delivered safely. Now let's get this thing off you and remove the IV. Very carefully. Let's not forget the oxygen mask. Mama cat, are you ready to hold your little ones for the first time? Jump in! Wow, just look at this sweet, sweet family. Isn't that adorable?
Congratulations! Your babies look just like you, Mrs. Cat.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, cuties. I heard Dr. Sam opened the hospital. Oh, I hope he can help me. Ouch.
Tell me, what happened?
My head hurts.
You're in good hands. Okay, now let's get all the tools we need ready. Let's check the temperature. Oh, you have a fever. We need to take action now. Luckily, I have everything we need here. First, let's get the fever down. There you go. Trust me, you'll feel better soon. The sensors are on. And also... Huh? Oh no! Hang on, buddy! It doesn't work! No way, buddy! I'm not giving up on you that easy. Come on! Whoa! We need Dr. TV Man in the emergency room!
I came as quickly as I could, Dr. Raj. What's the problem? Don't worry, kitten. I'll help you. It won't hurt at all.
Phew. Thank you, Doctor. I think our cat is okay. Isn't that right, buddy?
I'm feeling great again. Doctor, help me.
Sure thing. Let me open the door for you.
Thank you. Oh.
That's a lot of dust. Well, hello, patient cutie. How can we help you?
Let's take a closer look. Okay. Okay. I see. Poor thing. He's full of lice and sores.
Let's get everything ready for the cleanup then. And don't forget our first aid kit. Okay, now let's start with the brushing. Ew, gross. You know, let's run a bath for you first. Let's get it out of here. There it is. Now let's get you in the bathtub, buddy. Here we go. First, we're going to start by brushing with soap and water to wash off all this dust. Let's dry you off with a towel now. Look at all this dirt. Poor baby. This sponge looks nasty. All right, isn't it great to feel refreshed? Now let's get you back on the bed.
It's time for the flea spray.
Thanks, Sammy. That's just what we need. Okay, let's get to work. So what do we have here? Ew! Okay, let's get these bugs off you, shall we? There are a lot of them. Go away, nasty things. Here we go. Much better. No more bugs. Now we'll need cotton balls and tweezers. Let's use them to remove any remaining dirt. It's working! Wow, you're so clean now. Doesn't that feel good?
Perfect.
You can go now. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Want to know how to make such a hospital, guys? Then keep watching. First, let's draw an outline with a pencil. Nice and neat.
While you're drawing, I'll buy all the supplies. Let's go. The store is stocked. Wow, I'm in heaven. Check, please. It is so heavy. I love shopping.
Now let's trace the drawing with a liner. Let's go. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, that's the color I've been looking for. Let's get to the painting. Now we need all the markers we have to color the building. Let's do the sign. First, we'll fill up the base. I make the cross red so everyone knows it's a hospital. Now let's fill in the lettering itself. Moving on to the window frames. And finally, to the windows panels themselves. Let's make them shine bright. Wow, that turned out amazing! Look at that!
Here I am. Look what I bought.
Nice one, Sammy. That's exactly what we need. Sammy bought us high-tech medical equipment. That's great. But we also need a cat patient. How's it gonna look?
Pink. Let's make it pink. It's my favorite color of all.
But there's no such thing as pink cats, Sam. I was thinking something like creme brulee, you know?
Did you say creme brulee?
Take it easy. I was just talking about color.
Color?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, I'll just draw the cutest cat in the world. And now let's use the liner. We'll draw a red cat. Does this sound good, friends? Give a thumbs up if you like it. We're done! All right, let's cut it out. Aha! And now let's multiply them. Whoa, that's great! We've got all the cats here.
Hey, Raj, I've been thinking. Huh? What? It's candy. Yay! Come to Papa, my sweeties. My sweet precious. Let's open it.
What are you doing, Sam?
It is mine.
Give it back! Whoa! Is that transformed into paper candy? Sam, how did you do that?
Wizards don't reveal their secrets. And now, while no one's looking, aha! Finally, this candy's mine.
I think we need more pills. Yeah, here we go.
I brought more tools.
Thanks a lot, Sammy. Hey, I need that too. That's great. Now we have everything we need. We can open a hospital now. Yay!
This TV man is chasing me. Leave me alone. Ah! Oh no, Raj, please help me. It's coming.
It's all right, Sammy. This is our TV doctor.
Ah, what a relief.
I'm so tired. I think I need a vacation.
Sorry, Raj, but doctors don't take vacations. But don't you worry, I'll go on vacation for you. Friends, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.